I'm Shafankit from IHM Bangalore and welcome to IHM Food Studio. Today we're going to make a spaghetti carbonara, which is very interesting dish and it's very easy and delicious to make. So for that we require spaghetti. I blanched already till al dente stage. Al dente means tooth. When we bite the pasta, we should feel a little bite. Bacon, salt, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, egg yolk and parsley for garnish. Put the pan and we need to cook the bacon. I'm not using any kind of oil, but if you wish you can use olive oil in that. Why? Because bacon will release the fat. We'll start with a hot pan. In that we need to put bacon. You can hear that sizzling sound. It should come. And we will cook it. So actually the origin of the dish is from Italy. There are so many stories behind the carbonara, the origin and the history. So it's come in existence around late 80s and early 90s. And the carbonara, the literally means is charcoal burner. So in Italian they call it carbonaro. So from that word it comes. So the story behind this pasta first made for the coal miners. And after that it come in existence, and now we have so many variation in that. Some chefs make with egg yolk and mix with the cream, make lazen, and then they add it in that. But this what I am showing you today is authentic way. So you can see in the pan, fat is rendering out. Pork is a major ingredient. It's one of the major ingredients in the carbonara. So I am using a smoked bacon here, pork meat. On the other hand, one nice portion of spaghetti. We need to blanch it again before we put it in the pan. This is the salted water already kept there, you can see. I break 2 eggs already, you can see it's egg yolk only. I will use along with some pepper. So I will add pepper. I'm not adding salt at the beginning because the bacon is salty. You can see how much fat is already came out. So this is the reason I didn't use any oil. And just a little mix. One thing we need to make sure, when we add egg in that, the pan should not too hot, otherwise it will get cooked and will not get that consistency which we require, a fluid consistency of that sauce. Pasta in and sauce. So I did add some pasta water in that, and now away from flame. So what I am doing, I am mixing the Parmesan cheese in the yolk. Authentically we need to use Pecorino, but if you don't have, you can use Parmesan, around 25 grams. Mix it. mix it nicely. Can add a little more water. There is a starch in the water, so it will help to dilute the yolk and mix properly among the pasta all over. So you can see it's little soupy, creamy, and that's it. Before we put in the plate, we need to check the seasoning. For the seasoning, one spring nicely, and okay, yeah, a bit more pepper, and now little salt, and it's ready to plate. Easy. Use some bacon. Add on top. Wipe the sides. Important. Parsley on top, and a little more. Crispy bacon, which I kept separately, and a little Parmesan. So that is carbonara, a spaghetti carbonara.